want you anymore, so I won't leave. And I want you to be my one and only. So I won't live, and I want you to be. I want you anymore, so I won't leave.
So I received a really lovely package the other day from a brand called Kpgstatements. So they have all these jewelry pieces that are really beautiful, and I'm wearing some of them right now. So because I'm always buying things from her, I think she decided to kind of give me a really nice PR package. And guys, when I say it's really nice, it's like 7 to 8 pieces of jewelry inside this really cute box, and it came wrapped really beautifully. I'm going to just put a picture up here because I really was excited to see what was inside this box, so I was not gonna wait. I already opened it and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. So I'm just gonna wear some of these pieces for you guys right now so I can show you guys what they look like. They are so cute, they are so pretty. I really like these. They are so cute. So the PR package, or the package, came in this box. It was wrapped in some pink ribbon with like a leaf, and she always has like a leaf on her Instagram. Like her content is created around like all this like garden and leaves, which is really nice. So I like that she added that to her package. And she has this really pink look and feel to her brand. So she had like this pink ribbon around this box, and I think that's just so cute the way it just came. What I really like is that she did a very unique way. She created these like wooden boxes. My favorite part is this little glass, and when you open it, it looks like this inside. I've kind of like already worn some of the pieces, tried them out, so it's not like as it was presented, but this is how it basically came. It comes with a small silver card that says, "I hope you like all that I've picked for you, beauty. Cannot wait to see how you style everything, Sylvia." So that is a really cute message, Sylvia. Thank you very much. And the card is just glittering, very her brand. If you guys go on her page, you'll see everything that she's added here is really connected to her brand look and feel, and I think that's really cute. And then she adds this little like patch to kind of clean the jewelry, which is just so smart. First you have this necklace over here. I really like this piece. It's very like kind of like day-to-day wearing with your outfit. I like the details to it, which is just so cute. So yes, that is the first piece. It's a necklace. I'm gonna say the second piece is this one, which is just a bracelet. It's a gold bracelet. I normally like to wear this actually with like a watch or something else, so it depends. I don't wear this all the time, but I just thought I should wear it now for the video. And then the third piece I'm gonna say is these earrings over here. So I would probably style these with like a going out type of outfit, or even if I was wearing like what I'm wearing now, which is like my silk dress. You know, it kind of goes with the outfit. And then she also added these other small earrings, which I'm not gonna put on now because I already have these other ones. Because I have these on, I'm not gonna put those on. I just wanted to show you guys. And then another necklace piece, which is really cute. It has like a flower on it. This is like a thinner necklace compared to the other one. Also very detailed, but it's like a flower. So I think all these like long necklaces, I would probably pair up with like a shorter one like this, or this one. There's another necklace piece which is really nice because it has my name on it, guys. Not my name, but my first letter name. So I really like this one because it has my name's first letter, and it's just so cute. I'd also probably style this with another necklace, so it's not too plain, but depending on the outfit. And then we also have some really cute rings. So I really like to wear rings, so I really like this because look at them. And I'd probably wear them like this, so I like them. And guys, my favorite pieces, there are so beautiful. Like, you can already see them shining from there. It's a necklace and a bracelet. So it's this necklace. It's just so cute. And then it has its bracelet pair with. Now imagine like a night out, very classy night out, wearing that and this. I'm so in love with these two pieces. I'm so in love with them. You guys don't understand how in love I am with these two pieces. And I was gonna buy something very similar, so that's why I think I'm very excited about that. So that is all for this video. I just wanted to show you guys this really cute PR package that I got from Kpgstatements. And if you guys like to wear these sort of pieces or jewelry, do follow them. I'm going to tag them down below. And anything else that you guys have, if you guys have any other questions in terms of this brand, just go straight to Sylvia and contact her on Instagram, or you can just ask me and I can direct the message to her. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just comment down below. These are just one of the videos that I felt like I needed to do. And guys, thank you for being here. I hope you guys have a very wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.